Hey guys, welcome back to my video. And in today's video, I will be reviewing a new handbag that I purchased at Michael Kors. So the story behind this bag is I have this plant here. And this plant is called Lemon Lime Philodendron. And the colors on this are so beautiful. You get this like dark green at the bottom and this like chartreuse lime green at the top. The color is so stunning. It's one of my favorite colors. And also, I've been eyeing this bag on Michael Kors website for a while. And when they released their spring collection for 21, they had a bag in this color. I have two bags to unbox here. Okay. All right. This is the dust bag here that it comes in. The dust bag is the silk material. We all know this. Ta-da! Oh my god. It's so pretty. Look at the color. It's so stunning. Let's see if it matches the plant. Oh my god. It's close. Look at that. This is the Michael Kors SoHo bag. And the strap is in the back here. Sorry, my birds are right here. Look at the bag, it's so stunning. 360. At the front, you get this little plaque here that you pull this little button down to open the bag. On the inside, it's all leather right there. And you get a slip compartment here, one main compartment, another back slip compartment with a zipper in the back right here, and one main zipper in the middle, like so. Very spacious for a bag. This is the size small, I believe. I don't know, let me check. Here you go. This is the name of the bag. Oh, it's large. Large chain shoulder. And the color is lime. Get a care card. And you could pull it like this to put it on your shoulder. Or pull this through to make a crossbody. This is the Michael Kors SoHo.